back. This is Will Turner with another Frazer Sugarland update. I'm up on the roof this week. We're actually just finishing up all of the prep to get ready for our rooftop AC units, which will be coming here in the next couple of weeks. So we're all very excited to get the building downstairs all sealed up, get the rooftop units put up here on the roof, and then we can have some much needed air conditioning inside our building. So I and the construction team are all very excited and looking forward to that. So stay tuned. Next week or two, I'll show you how they look up here on the roof.